Basically what I started doing, and this was like almost a year ago, was I decided to take songs that I felt a real connection to in Yiddish and put them together with songs that I felt a real connection to from the African American spiritual tradition. And as I started looking through these songs, which seemed disparate in their content, I started to find these really interesting parallels. In a lot of songs, they share similar texts, similar themes, and in many ways, they're kind of like dialogues between each other. The very first song that I did this with were two songs. One, Der Gemora Nigen, which I mentioned before, which is this kind of wonderful song about this boy in Cheder who misses his family and how he feels like a ship without a rudder when he thinks about them because he's so alone. And then I took the song Sometimes I Feel Like a Motherless Child, which is very traditional Negro spiritual, and they're both in minor, and they're both modal, and they both share like the same words, which is crazy. Mother, lost. It was like they were using the same vocabulary to express a feeling of loneliness and loss, and I thought, wow, this is amazing. So I decided I would just take one line from one song and one line from the other song, and I would just stack them and then see what would happen. And I created this piece. And I started performing it as an encore at my Yiddish performances, and people went insane. I don't think they'd really ever heard anything much like it, where these two songs are just kind of like in relationship to each other. So I decided maybe I should create more pieces of this type. So I found more songs and more texts that seemed to speak to each other.